Hello South Africa. Guinness World Records, longest snake in captivity. The longest snake ever in captivity is Medusa, a reticulated python, Python reticulatus, in Kansas City, Missouri, USA. When measured on October 12, 2011, she was found to be 7.67 meters, 25 feet, 2 inches, long. Reticulated pythons, named as such because of the grid-like pattern of its skin, are on average the world's longest snakes, but adults normally grow to an average of between 3 to 6 meters, 10 to 20 feet. Medusa required 15 men to hold her at full length in order for her record measurement to be taken. Her diet consists of a combination of rabbits, hogs and deer served bi-weekly. Medusa weighs 158.8 kilograms, 350 pounds. This is Leah for the South African.